Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY video, we're going to make this chic boho planter using items from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I post super quick and easy DIYs, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I post new videos every week. Now let's get on with today's project. So for this project, I'm going to use 3 of these wicker baskets from the Dollar Tree. You can find them in their garden area. I had made a previous planter using their wicker baskets and I loved it. So I'm going to do a different one because these are different shapes. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the tags off of these baskets. And I'm going to reinforce the bottom basket with a piece of foam board that I just cut out. And I'm just going to lay it on the bottom of the bottom basket because later on we're going to add a rock in order to stabilize it. I'm going to take 4 of these little wooden cubes. These I think I got at Hobby Lobby. The ones at the Dollar Tree sells are really small, so they wouldn't be too good as feet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the wooden blocks as the feet to the planter using E6000 glue and a little bit of hot glue in order for it to hold immediately and I can continue working. So let's add the 4 feet to the bottom basket in order to create our feet and our stand for our planter. So now that I attach the feet, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a garden rock. It's a rock that I just found in my garden, and I'm going to put it inside the bottom basket. This way it will stabilize the entire planter and it won't tip over. That's also the reason why I put the foam board, so it could hold the rock better. The next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to start attaching the baskets to each other. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach them using zip ties. So we're going to go all around the basket with zip ties and securing them together. So let's continue with this part. So now that I zip tied both of the bottom baskets, I also zip tied the top basket, but only on one side, actually just the back part, because I don't want it to be seen in the front. So what I'm going to do to the rest of this basket is I'm going to use the E6000 glue along with some hot glue in order to attach it to the main planter. So again, zip tie only in the back just to reinforce them, and then E6000 glue along with some hot glue to attach them. Let's continue. So now that the main planter is done, I'm just going to add a little decorative touch to the edge of the top basket and middle basket. I'm going to take some jute rope and I'm going to tie it around the basket. I'm going to secure it with a little bit of hot glue. Then after that, I'm going to separate the strands of the jute cord in order for them to look a little bit stringy, and I'm going to add some wooden beads. So let's finish this part. So I already started adding some of the beads. I'm going to add a couple of more in both an aqua blue color and an orange color. These are wood beads. You could get them at any craft store. I've had them for years, so I decided, why not? Let me just use them. I'm going to push them through the jute cords that I pulled apart. I'm not going to add too many, just a couple, so it could give it a little summery look. And once I'm done with that, this basket will be ready to display and be able to hold some of my plants. So this project was pretty simple, and I really love the way that it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.